Hey everyone, welcome again. As we all know, today is World AIDS Day. So आज की इस वीडियो में हम वर्ल्ड एड्स डे पे एक ऐसे देखेंगे. So let's start the video. World AIDS Day is celebrated on December 1 every year since 1988. It is dedicated to raise awareness, educate, and to improve the understanding of HIV as a global public health problem. It's an opportunity for people worldwide to unite in the fight against HIV, to show support for people living with HIV, and to commemorate those who have died from an AIDS-related illness. यहाँ पे commemorate का मतलब है recall करना, remind करना, यानी कि स्मरण करना है, याद करना. AIDS is infection caused by human immunodeficiency virus HIV, due to which human body result into weakening of immune system against infection and some type of cancer. This immunodeficiency results in increased susceptibility to a wide range of infections, cancers, and other diseases that people with healthy immune system can fight off. The symptoms of HIV vary depending on the stage of infection. The first few weeks after initial infection, the individual may experience no symptoms or an influenza-like illness, including fever, headache, rash, or sore throat. As the infection progresses, an individual can develop other signs and symptoms, such as swollen lymph nodes, weight loss, fever, diarrhea, and cough. Without treatment, they could develop severe illness such as tuberculosis, etc., and severe bacterial infections and cancer. HIV is transmitted through sexual contact with infected person and sharing needles and syringes contaminated with HIV, infected blood, receiving blood transfusion, blood product, or organ tissue transplant that are contaminated with HIV. And it can also transmitted from a pregnant woman infected with HIV virus. She can transmit the virus to child during pregnancy, birth, or breastfeeding. To prevent HIV transmission, we all should take some safety measures, such as we should practice safety sexual behavior such as condoms, and we should never share needle or syringes. And all pregnant women should be tested for HIV regularly. Various schemes such as National AIDS Control Program and Red Ribbon Express are also implemented in country by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to reduce new infections and to provide care, support, and treatment to all persons living with HIV/AIDS, and to raise awareness among people on HIV/AIDS. Life for an individual become hell after being tested positive for AIDS. Though AIDS is a disease which cannot be cured or eradicated from society, the only solution to AIDS lies in its prevention and awareness. We must have our regular and periodical health checkup so that we don't fall prey to such deadly diseases. And we must also encourage and educate others to do the same. So at last, I want to say that awareness is best prevention for AIDS. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and thank you again.